I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. This is what you get when you ask Microsoft Copilot AI to generate an image of women splitting the check at a restaurant. This picture is not the first thing that comes to mind when I think of women splitting a check, but hey, it's AI. The topic here, however, isn't splitting a check, it's splitting a table. AI does a better turn here, but still fails to capture the essence of splitting a table in a Microsoft Word document. While Word can split a table, the real question is why. But first, the split. Behold this table, which was also generated by Copilot AI. Say for some reason I desire to split the table here. I don't know why. Perhaps it's to insert some text. Regardless, it works like this. Put the cursor on the table row that you want to split. This row now becomes the top row of the next table after I split. So on the Table Layout tab, in the Merge group, click the Split Table button. The table is split. Now you can type text here for whatever reason, and the table continues below. By the way, you need not split a table like this if the table spans more than a single page. In fact, I've done another word tip video on tables crawling all over more than one page. Link above. This is not a header row, though the freshly cleaved table inherits the old table's format. In the new table, click the Table Design tab and remove the check mark by header row. There. The table uses the preset table style inherited from the table above. If the style was messed up, you can choose the preset style. Just select the previous table and see that this is the style inherited. Click in the new table, the below split, and you see it's still the same style. You're okay. But if the style screws up, this is where you would choose it. What about the table header? If I knew the reason behind splitting a table, it might explain why the header isn't copied below the split. Anyway, if you want to copy the header row, you need to perform some editing. Select the header row from the original table and press Ctrl-C to copy. Click the mouse at the start of the table in the below split table and press Ctrl-V to paste. There's the table header row, and as you can see up here, it is a valid header row.
What's the point?
While splitting a table like this may seem silly, and I've seen sillier things, the split table command does have a practical purpose. Go way to the tippy top of your document, all the way up to the top of the table. Press Control-Home, and you're up here. Adding a line of text up here can be frustrating. I've experienced this frustration firsthand when I create a document and have a table right at the start, and I need to write text right up here. It's frustrating unless you know the split table trick. With the cursor blinking at the start of the table, choose the Split Table command. Table Layout, Split Table. There's your blank line. I find that this trick is the only legitimate purpose for splitting a table. If you can think of another reason to do it, write in the comments below. Mutilating and mangling tables is a topic covered in my word books, available wherever books are available.